I received the final box for my paintbrush set, and I wanted to share with you guys. For the brush set, the launch date will be on February 13th. And on 2 p.m. Lisbon time, there will be a live premiere. During the premiere, there will be a special discount code, plus a giveaway for those who purchase during the live. I'll be hanging out in the comment section during the live premiere, so I hope to see you there. Now let's go back to the video. Let's take off the plastic first. Ooh, this is the first time I'm seeing it in person, and it's going to be my first time seeing my name on the brush in person, so we'll be seeing it together. The cover art was painted just after I came back from a trip to France. I feel like there was a special art energy that went into it. I wanted a traditional oil painting as a cover, and the colors are picked carefully to match my paintbrushes. You can see the rose gold finish on my signature. The side, there's 8 brush set. This was the side design. In the back too, it looks really nice. Let's open. So this is what you're going to see when you open. Here's the painting I did for the inside. And you'll receive a print of the cover. The foam that comes with is very soft. Oh! Can you see the name? So nice. It has like a very hard plastic on it, so it will come very protected. This is the 1-inch flat brush. Let me take out each of them. All of them has my signature. I'm obsessed with the pink color, if you could tell. And the smallest brush. Here's all of them all together. It's so gorgeous. I wanted pretty pink paintbrushes that makes me feel like a princess in a palace. I like collecting cute items, and being able to create paintbrushes that can match the aesthetic is so amazing for me. If you could see, the pink has different shades. A dusty pink with light lavender color mixed, and the pink and light pink. Color switches between each of the brush handles. Just to give a bit uniqueness, I wanted a rose gold signature, so it makes it feel like a royal item. I chose the silver ferrule because I like the combination of pink and silver, just like my music box here. It looks really pretty. I like the glossy finish. It's like an oil painting. You put varnish over and it makes it look like glass. The hair color, I also specifically chose this shade. The white and pink combination. It's colors you don't really see in paintbrushes. My thought process was, why can't my paintbrushes be cute and pink? I want to have elegant pink pretty princess-like items. Sometimes I think, where's for the girls? For anything, and being able to create a paintbrush that's for the pink lovers like me, I'm so happy. My favorite color is soft pink, and I love the idea of my paintbrush to match my room. With my pretty collections, as someone who likes to collect cute items for myself, for the aesthetics, the paintbrush is a huge part of me as an artist. I'm so happy Craftamo reached out to create these brushes. When you purchase these brushes, it will come with an eye tutorial link. So if you're interested in the tutorial, I recommend getting these brushes. Unfortunately, I wasn't recording. Let me start again. Before you start painting, make sure to wash the brushes so you can take out the glue that keeps the brushes together when they arrive. What I demonstrated was this large brush, flat brush, just for a flat painting that you can see here. I will do another demo video so you could watch again, but for now I'm just going to quickly go through the brushes. You can just do a flat background, and what I did here was put some textures when the paints are more dry on the brushes. I have two water to clean the brush and the other to do a more thorough cleaning. The painting right here is from this one, the 16. I mentioned you can do a thick or thin controlled strokes. Size 18 is a filbert brush. It has like a round edge, and this is good when you want to make a controlled edge, because if you use a square brush, it has like this square shape. So if you want to make rounder edges, and when the paint is dry, you can make interesting textures. As you can see here, as a vegan, it's amazing for me to be able to create vegan-friendly brushes. I try to keep my art supplies vegan, and I researched to find vegan supplies. So to be able to confidently share with you vegan paintbrushes is such a dream. There's a lot of thought put behind creating these brushes. I made very small changes for the smaller brushes on the diameter and the hair length, so it feels better to paint when dragging on the canvas. I also asked for a thicker handle so it's easier to stabilize, but I wanted to make it simple for the brush size and shape. So when the artists use them, all they have to worry about is just picking the right size for what they're painting. This is another smaller brush of the filbert. You can make controlled edges. And when it's dry, you can make some textures. Currently, I'm painting with watercolor. And what I love about these brushes is that they're mixed media. And as someone who paints with different paints for each of my artworks, I could easily switch to acrylic, gouache, watercolor, or oil painting without worrying. This is a smaller flat brush. If you want to make strong square shapes. And based on the movement of your brush, you can make many different ways. On the angle. What I don't recommend is like I don't know how to explain this. Destroying your brushes on the canvas. Just try to paint the direction of the brush. Another round brush. All of these paintbrushes are chosen based on what type of brushes I use for my paintings. I've tested and gave feedback to Craftamo to fix them. So these are the best brushes for my type of painting. My favorite brush is the size 2. This also can make very precise lines and hold a lot of paint, just based on how much pressure I'm applying. And when it's dried, more textures. And the last one is the smallest. Very important if you want to make very, very small details. This is just a quick demo. So if you want a more detailed one, please wait for my next video. And after I finish painting, I use Craftamo's vegan brush soap. It makes the brush very, very clean. It has a nice scent, and I love how it doesn't crumple, make small soaps on the brushes. It evenly cleans. And it's vegan. There's a discount code in the description if you're interested. Thank you for watching. I'm so excited to share these brushes with you guys. Oh, if you notice, there's some ribbons too. It's cute, isn't it? Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Bye bye.